Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing power and access so you can act immediately. First, make sure the clock is plugged in and any backup battery is fresh. This prevents intermittent failures. Once done, remove power for 10 seconds to clear transient errors, then reconnect. That often restores normal function. Next, position the clock so you can reach the set, alarm, hour, minute, and mode buttons. With power stable and controls visible, you're ready to set the alarm correctly. Now you dive into the settings. This is where most problems hide. Press set, then adjust hour and minute, making sure AM versus PM is correct. Wrong period is the usual culprit. Also check 12 versus 24-hour mode because some clocks suppress alarms in the other format. Once the time is correct, select the alarm tone and increase volume. Low volume or a muted tone is often mistaken for a non-working alarm. Finally, test by setting the alarm 1 to 2 minutes ahead so you can confirm it sounds clearly. Finish by restoring defaults only if configuration errors remain. A factory reset clears corrupted settings, then you must re-enter time and alarm. If the alarm still misbehaves, inspect the speaker grill and power connector for debris or loose contacts. Replace the backup battery and, if needed, the power adapter. Make sure you test the clock on a different outlet to rule out mains issues. If none of these fixes work, the internal alarm module may be failing. Consider repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.